Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Charlotte from At Charlotte's House. Welcome to my week. Happy Monday. I am late to be on here. I had a friend come over this morning and actually photograph me doing things around the house. We had a great time, so I can't wait to share some of those with you, but I am trying to get a couple projects taken care of, some computer work, but Mondays are the best. I love Mondays. Back to work. I just finished making a quick video and post about this guy. I'm really pleased with how it came out. The paint is still a little bit wet, or else I would put it in the pillow and take the finish shots, but I might have to wait until tomorrow on that one, but came out great. If you guys saw my video from last week, then you know I tackled our garage over the weekend. So this is the aftermath. This is a box of coats that we don't really have room for, but I don't want them to be stuck outside forever. This is a large chandelier that needs to go into our furnace room where we have some other sort of clunky lights, and then just a few other boxes that I need to find a space for. Ugh. Hi there, good morning. May I have a medium coffee with milk and 1 Splenda, please?
Something else?
Nope, that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you. They're always amazed that I am so lazy that I'm doing drive-through for a single cup of coffee. I always worry that they may have a video so that they are gonna bust me recording myself ordering at the drive-through, but I don't think they do, right? Do they videotape people? All right, I am standing in Portland, Connecticut, and this house right here is the next Habitat for Humanity house that I am going to help design and decorate. I partnered with Habitat for Humanity about 3 years ago, and what happens when a family is given a mortgage to a home is that they don't always have the stuff to go into the home. So I thought there was something I could do to help. So I rounded up a bunch of my blog friends who are used to decorating spaces on a dime. And then we have partnered with Raymore and Flanagan. So with those two things in place, we help purchase furniture, and then we come in and we decorate the house. So I just saw the house, I just met the family, and we are going to be doing our installation in a few weeks. I am so excited. It brings me so much joy. I can't wait. Wednesday morning, I am showered, and it occurred to me that there was a time in my life when I would shower every day. That time is long gone. Today was my day. All right, quiet house alert. Boop, boop, boop. Quiet house. I'm doing a little bit of computer work. I have to email pictures that I took from the Habitat house and just sort of rally the troops for that. I just finished a craft project in the other room, but I can't show you because it's in my office. And I'm about to photograph something else that I can show you, so hold on. I am an ambassador for plutonium paint, and I spray painted this gumball machine to be a little bit more my color palette. So I'm gonna photograph that. I love plutonium paint because they come in like a zillion colors. So I'm sort of just trying to highlight all the different ways that I use it as a home decor blogger. But I really love that. I can't remember if I told you guys, but I had a photographer here on Monday morning. She is a wedding photographer that is hoping to transition into more sort of lifestyle interior type photography. So I invited her to take some pictures of me working around the house, and it was really fun just to visit with her and to have her be the photographer for once. But I asked her to photograph me in this space because in person, it looks so lush and fun. It is literally every houseplant I own, but on camera, it always feels a little bit bonkers to me. So I haven't really showed you, but I wanted to show you today because again, I think it looks really pretty. It's all my plants, some of my big, I can't do this, I'm no weatherman. There, some of my big colored glasses, my big jars, but again, yeah, I'm hoping that that will look nice in her photograph. So now you've seen it. There was a tire swing that needed a little love, and Mark took care of that over the weekend, and they have been out here a lot. To me, a tire swing means feeling dizzy and sick to my stomach, but they seem to love it. One of the things that I do every week is I have a podcast with my friend Erin Spain. It's called The North-South Makers. And right now I am editing our podcast for this week. I just use GarageBand, which is built right into my computer. I have figured out how to do that. So we are going to publish that any minute. We were a little late this week. That's what I've been working on. Remember how yesterday I said I was photographing that gumball machine? Camera's still there. This is how I roll. Judy touched a clump of garlic. Are you trying to scare away vampires or something? That's from one time when I ate a whole thing of garlic by mistake. The funniest thing ever was that I stunk like a skunk for a week. Reading stories before bed? Yeah. Hey Martha, what did you do at school today?
Presentation.
Did you do a space place presentation? And what were you studying? The moon. And now you're so tired because it was so exciting and now it's over. All right. Back to reading. Okay, here's the current situation. I got a spray tan, which I haven't done for years, and I enjoy it. There's a lot of nudity involved to get the spray tan, which I'm down with, but apologies to the poor woman who had to do it. Now I'm going to get my nails fixed. She screwed them up, so I have to sit for another half an hour to have them figure out the powder gel manicure. I just think I'm trying to be too fancy, and I think really I should just take responsibility that I was trying to be a little bit extra with this whole vacation thing. I blame myself. We're leaving tomorrow. A lot of packing needs to be done. Obviously, I had to come to Old. All right, here we are. Ready to go. Martha. Ready to go. Oh my gosh. Oliver, we made it. Where are we going?
Florida.
Florida. We're at the JetBlue terminal. We're waiting for our flight. We had a very early wake up, but we've had breakfast. I have a cup of coffee. Next stop, Florida. You ready? Are you ready? And then, oh, there are the boys. We are ready for takeoff. Guys, I'm gonna leave this right here. We are in Florida for the week. Not bad.